If I'm on the YouTube homepage, I'll probably see at least 5 or 6 YouTube videos about Linux. Gen 2, 1, 2, Nyarch, what the hell, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's a lot of Linux videos, but I want to be different. Hey everybody, it's Zay here from the ZayBytes YouTube channel. Wait, I forgot to fast fetch. There you go, that's much better. I love my current Arch setup. It's great, but Linux is getting mainstream. I study computer science and 60% of my friends now use Linux. And I'm literally nothing special anymore. I found this operating system that's a bit different, Dragonfly BSD. Dragonfly BSD belongs to the same class of operating systems as other BSD or Berkeley software distribution derived systems. Like a few dudes didn't like where FreeBSD was going and they wanted to be different and they made Dragonfly BSD. Many useful features that differentiate it from other operating systems in the same class. Hammer 2. What is Hammer? Modern copy-on-write file system for Dragonfly BSD. Allows for instant read-only copies of file system, enabling quick back. Oh, that's actually pretty useful. Okay. I actually don't know what this is, but I'm guessing that's useful. I want to read the docs first because I usually do that. Oh, and we probably don't need to worry about the system requirements because it's probably this. Oh, and a lot of people say that BSD operating systems are more for server. Doesn't work as good as like at your desktop. Downloading the uncompressed IMG version because my laptop doesn't like ISOs for some reason. How big is the file? 1.9 gigs and the download speed's really freaking slow. So basically the creator Matthew Dillon wanted to be different and made Dragonfly BSD. Now that is based. I'm gonna be installing this with the laptop where I almost burned my entire house. But seriously though, this laptop literally almost burned my house on my last video where I installed FreeBSD. But I bought a new charger though, so we're good. Okay, so the install is actually quite easy. It's similar to FreeBSD and it kind of reminds me of this guy's comment, Souls-like operating system. Now here's me formatting the disk, so that's goodbye to my FreeBSD install. I'm gonna miss that KDE Plasma, dude, I swear to God. I'm going to be using Hammer 2 because that's one of the trademark features of Dragonfly BSD, and this is going to take a while to install. And I'm not going to do a full install guide because the video is just going to take a long time to make. But yeah, this is how it's going so far. It's going pretty well. Now after selecting my time zone and the correct date, I'm going to make root password, and the root password is actually very secure. Now I'm going to make my user and we're going to boot into it. I think I'm supposed to press F1. Oh, yep, it works. Holy crap. I've installed a lot more, but this one's the only one that worked. I'm going to install XFCE because it's lightweight and you guys suggested me it. It's literally been an hour. What the hell? Dude, bro, I'm trying to make a video. Why are you sitting here? You gotta... Okay, the fast fetch looks really unique. I'm not going to lie. Oh, and XFCE works, but only half of it. My keyboard and my GPU driver doesn't work. Maybe I am doing something wrong, but I've tried everything from YouTube tutorials, old forum, searched everywhere in the internet, but my keyboard and my graphics driver doesn't seem to work at all. It only loads half of my wallpaper, only the top, and I found this. I'm supposed to install the FDev keyboard thingy, and this guy said it works. I did it for myself. It loads the bottom of my wallpaper and the top, but my keyboard still doesn't work, so I gave up. Instead of making the system go to waste, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make a Minecraft server out of this, because Dragonfly BSD is good for servers, right? Okay, so I made a directory called MC server. I use paper and 1.20.4 for this. Here's me editing the EULA and setting it to true. After that, I typed in a command, which is this on the screen, to make the server online. And it actually works. It's generating the world right now, and what the hell? Wait, bro, it actually freaking works. What the hell? Look, dude. Oh my god, it works. Alright, chat, we're in Minecraft, literally. I want to dual boot it with something like FreeBSD with i3 window manager and make it a usable desktop. You guys might say in the comments, I could just install, oh my god, I'm so bad. I could just install FreeBSD and run the server there, but why am I doing all this and dual booting? I think it's cool and I want to be different. I'm going to craft a crafting table after like, what? Yep. Okay, there we go. It is sword. Why is this actually turning into a Minecraft gameplay? What the hell? Never mind. I think I'm gonna install the weirdest operating system that I can find. ToaruOS. That's not niche enough. Niche and minimalist systems. ToaruOS. A single developer Unix-like OS. Oh, that does kind of sound familiar. After many betas and several years of work, ToaruOS 2.0 is ready for release. Ooh, okay, this looks pretty good. Known issues. The network stack remains experimental and the TCP implementation is missing functionality I hope to deliver in a future update. But I think I want to install this, dude. This OS is really niche. Like, the most popular video that I saw is like videos only has 1.1k views. I actually think nobody uses this OS for their daily, but why not? So it hasn't been updated ever since 2023. This is actually the ISO 6.38 freaking megabytes. Wow. So I installed Ventoy here because my system is racist to ISOs without Ventoy. I don't know why. The logo kind of reminds me of Teen Titans Tower. I used to watch Teen Titans back when I was a kid, and if I'm being honest with you, this actually doesn't look bad. This looks like something that I would main if it has better driver support. Well, this is a hobby OS, that is expected. Some of the drivers won't really work, but right now I'm just hitting next on this. This is like the tour. And I really like the wallpaper, but my internet doesn't work. I tried everything, but it just doesn't work. And we're just gonna explore something else now. What's the password for this? I think, oh, it's local. Okay, so the package manager doesn't work because it doesn't have internet. I tried everything, it doesn't work because Toaru doesn't support my model. This video is sort of like a joke anyways, but yeah, this OS is sort of unusable if your computer doesn't support it. Tried Ethernet. And I also did try USB tethering, that didn't work. Package manager requires Wi-Fi, so it doesn't work. Pretty cool hobby OS. I'll try to write my own hobby OS. That'll be cool.